So how to get automatic backlinks from high DA sites, guys? The thing is, high DA sites charge you too much amount of money because they have domain authority score high, which means even if you get one backlink, it's just more points to your domain. So how to automate backlinks from high DA site? We cannot get, but the thing is, we can find high DA sites. So the one way to do is go into the SEMrush and type in a keyword right here in the keyword magic tool or keyword overview, and this gives you the SERP analysis. And if you go into the domain or URL, whatever it is, you can see all the domain which has a page authority score right here. So this is how you find, and also the average top 10 authority score is 61, and this is how you find high DA sites, and then you can reach out to them to get backlinks.